So if you guys have been in one of Poppy's streams before, you've probably heard her absolutely horrific and terrible keyboard. And if you saw my keyboard video a couple months back, you know that I just got a custom keyboard and I have my And Pro, which I'm not using anymore. So I've decided I'm going to customize it for Poppy. So I'll start off by showing you guys how I modded the keyboard, then I'll send it off to Poppy, get her reaction, and a sound test, as well at the very end of the video some keyboard and mouse sounds, so I highly recommend that you stick to the end. I also highly recommend that you check out Poppy's Twitch channel, which will be in the description. So I'll try and keep the mods brief because this keyboard was really hard to modify, mainly because 1, I have no soldering iron, and 2, the screws to get into the keyboard were stripped, and I tried absolutely everything to get them out. So unfortunately I couldn't foam mod the keyboard. So I just decided to start with the switches. I took the lube from my custom keyboard and gently pushed down the stem to reveal the inside of the top housing. I then applied a generous amount of lube on the sides and in the tiny slip of room I had on the stem. You're probably wondering, that's not going to make a difference. See, I applied more lube than you would a regular switch because this certain lube separates from the grease. So my goal was to let the grease drip down into the spring and the lower housing. I let the keyboard sit in some heat for a bit, and it actually worked. Like, the pinginess in the springs were just gone. Next, I used my stem tool to pull up the stabilizer stem and used my tiny paintbrush to push some lube down into the stem housing where the wire was. That way I could eliminate any tiny amount, if any, rattle the And Pro has. I then used the same tactic I used with the switches with the sides of the stabilizer housing. Finally, I applied some of the coolest keycaps I have ever used yet. They are the Japanese honeycomb style XDA keycaps, and they look fantastic. All that was left was to package the board and send it off to Poppy. Alright, when you're ready.
I don't think I'm ready for this. You know how much, like, I've been waiting for so long for this to happen, guys. I hope you know that. Okay.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Okay. Take it out of the plastic. No, pull it up on the tabs on the side.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I'm literally hugging it right now. I hope you know that. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to click it. I'm scared.
Don't click it. Don't click it. Okay, set it aside. Set it aside.
I am very happy with that.
Alright, keycap puller.
That note.
Keycap puller if you need to, like, if you want to change keycaps or whatever. That is a little strawberry milk switch. Look at the keycap.
That's adorable.
And then that's the cable. Alright, go ahead and type on it. Just tell me what you think, and then I'll put a sound test up while you're typing.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What do you think? What do you think?
This sounds so good.
Oh yeah.
Also, should I tell them about this keycap?
Oh yeah, so guys, if you didn't...
No, I said
okay,
should
okay. I have mine right here!
Okay, so this keycap was like, I picked it out, and there's another one. It's like, it's holding a knife, you can't really tell. Oh, it's holding like a sword. Yeah, it's holding like a sword. And then Realou has the other one, and they're like fighting, so...
Yeah, they're facing like towards where Poppy lives, and hers is facing towards where I live.
So like, I live here, and then Realou lives like here. So like, I live here, Realou lives here, so they're facing towards each other. Yeah. That makes sense.
Do you like it?
I love it. Oh my, the difference is like unreal.
So clearly Poppy really liked the keyboard, but now sit back and relax and enjoy some keyboard and mouse sounds with this keyboard.
Yeah, I know, it was kind of blurry. Okay, I'm gonna like, I know me, and I'm gonna spill them
Yeah,
all
you
if I
can put those away if you want. Okay, now you can open it and take. Did you spill it? Did you spill
No! They won't go back!
All right, goodbye, crusty keyboard. There it goes. Don't break your monitor, please.
This can I throw it? Should I not throw it?
If you want. I mean.
Go for the keycaps!
Okay, wait. Well, what I was gonna say is if this video does well enough, I'm gonna have you send it to me and I'm gonna, like, make it better.
Oh, well, now you have a real thing to fix.